Hi guys and welcome. Today I wanted to do something totally different to what I normally do. I am Nina and this is my channel under my mask. My channel is mostly about weight loss and health, a little bit of everyday things, and today I wanted to talk about YouTube and how it works when you're completely new and never been before. So, when you think YouTube, you normally think, oh, this is somewhere where I can go and have a look at some videos. I search up some music, I search up some, I don't know, cute cats or dogs, or watch some kids have some fun and whatever. That's YouTube, isn't it? But it's so much more, so much more. It is like Google times pictures. Google and YouTube are connected in a good way, and it's a massive search engine, YouTube. If you want to find something out, it's a really good place to do so, because not only do you get a lot of descriptions, you get the pictures to go with it. So it helps a lot. But it can be very hard if it's the first time, and for a lot of people, and I know a lot of friends and family, they think it's hard because they don't really know what to do. You come into it and you watch a video and that's it. There's so much more, and that's what I wanted to go through here in this video. I made another video before this one, and I thought it was really good and I got everything out what I wanted to say, but unfortunately it was all blurry because I just do not trust my camera. It's impossible to get the settings right on that one. So I'm gonna do a little tutorial for you to show you some of the features in YouTube, to show you how to make an account so that you can like and subscribe to channels and videos. You can comment. For me as a YouTube creator, and I'm making my videos, I really like you to give me a thumbs up or leave a comment, and especially subscribe to me and watch my videos. And if you have an account on YouTube, it's so much easier for you because you can save my channel, and if you do, you subscribe and you hit the bell that's next to it, that's notifications. You can choose if you want all or nothing, or just the average, and if you choose to get all, you're going to get a notification as soon as I post new videos. Or if the dog you're watching getting toys, as soon as they get new videos, you get a little notification. You can turn them off, of course you can if it's annoying, but you're also going to have a list of everyone you subscribe into so that you can easily find their channel. And it's just a good thing to do, and it doesn't cost you anything. You don't have to worry about when you create an account that you have to do something to be in this community of YouTube. You don't have to. You just make an account so that you can interact with others if you want to. There's no must in anything. So that's what I'm going to go through with you. What we're going to do first is go to Google, type in youtube.com, and up it comes. So you click that, and then you get into this page. As you can see, it says YouTube GB on mine. It's Great Britain, and you don't have to worry about that. It's the same. It's just going to tell you where your country is. Then you can see the little sign in button. It shows that you're not signed in to any account. All the videos you see here, you can always get a little preview when you hover over it, and you can just choose anything you want to watch. You also have a search area where you can put whatever you search for. I'm going to put in my channel name. And you can see then that everything that has under my mask comes up. Mine is a channel, and you can see that by it being around. Then you've got lots of filters. So here, for example, you can choose last hour, today, this week, this month, this year, and so on. You can choose the type. So if I type video here, you can see that my channel disappears, but all the videos that contain my mask or anything in it will pop up. If I change that to my channel or to channels, all the channels that have something with mask in it is going to pop up. So I'm going to choose mine, and that will take me to my page and my channel, and this is what it looks like. So these are my latest uploads and my different playlists. You can choose to watch them one by one, or you can just press play all and then the whole playlist are going to be playing. So these are the different sections. Not everyone has it like this, so it will look different on all pages. You can also see at the end of this list that there's an arrow that shows you that there are more videos in that list than what you can see on the screen right now. You also have a menu that you can press, and it shows you all these different things, and you just press whatever you want to get into. Don't be afraid to press anything. It's not going to do anything to you. Just try it and see what it is. You have a search function, which is good if there's anything particular you're searching for, like let's say weight loss. Then it will show all the videos with weight loss from this channel, and you can then choose whatever you're interested in watching, and that's really good. And we'll go home again and have a look at what it looks like. If you press videos, all the videos that this channel has uploaded is going to be there. You can choose play all, and that means you're going to watch every video that's there. If you go to playlists, you're going to see all the different playlists, and again, if you play all, it's going to play the whole playlist with the videos in there. This channel doesn't have any other channels featured. If you go to discussion, you can add a comment, a public comment. And if you go to about, you're going to see that this is where the person or the animal, whatever it is talking about itself, what this channel is about. And if you want to contact them in any way, you can do that. You can also see the links to Instagram and all the other sites if they have any here. So let's go home again, and we're going to choose this video. This is the latest video that I made. So we're choosing that, and you can see the little timeline under here showing you how long it is. You've got lots of different settings. We can start by setting the quality of the picture. And you can go up to HD on some of them. Normally that gives you a lot better quality image. So I would choose that if the option is there. You can choose subtitles on and off. Not everyone has this. Autoplay means that it keeps playing on to the next video after this. You can turn that on or off if you want to. The next one would be the one you can see says up next. So is that one. There's a little subscribe button there as well. You can click. Mini player. Cinema mode. If you press that, you're going to get the full length of the screen to see the video. Press that again and then we'll close. If you press the mini player, it's going to take you to a little screen next to you, and just press the expand and you will get it back to where you were. You can also go full screen, of course. Lots of different options. You want to like this? I would love you to like it, but then it says sign in. Okay, so we're going to sign in. I'm just made an account for Lulu, so I'm just going to go on with that. This is just information to protect your account. Okay, so now I'm logged in with the Lulu Lurcher. Now I can like, see, little thumbs up, and I can also subscribe. Normally you want to wait a bit before you press subscribe, because otherwise YouTube is going to see you as spam and it's not going to count to anything. So wait until 3 to 5 minutes at least until you press the subscribe button and the like button. This is where all the information is about the movie and a little bit about the person that is making the movie. You can also see all the comments down below underneath the video. And if you want to leave a comment, please do, because everyone likes to have a comment. So don't be afraid to. You can type in anything here, just to show you. That's the volume for the video, so you can change the volume up and down if it's too loud. So once you get above around 5, you can do subscribe. So you subscribe and then you hit the little notification bell. You can choose none, personalized, all. I always recommend all, because then you're going to get all the notifications on the next videos that is coming up and being posted. Now if we go into our account, you can see here you can create your channel. You can do all kinds of stuff. You don't need to do this at all. As long as you have an account, you can interact with others, okay? But that little dot in the corner, that's your account and where you can reach it easiest. Now you can search for whatever you want to. Do you want to watch some country music? Go on and you will find it. Let's say you're interested in some cute animals, for example. Just search for that and it will come up. And you can see all the videos you want to see. You can always look for my daughter's site, my page, and go and see what they're doing. This is their latest video. And the same again. I want to like it, and of course I want to subscribe. And now I can post a comment here. All done. Not harder than that. type, click, and it's there. Sometimes your comment might not show straight away, and that's because the owner of the account needs to approve the comment, or it's gone into spam. So don't worry, it's probably going to show later. Now you just watch what you want, you enjoy the videos, and go on from there. This is what YouTube is about. You're supposed to enjoy yourself and have fun. And at least now you know that it's not as hard as you might think it is. I hope you find this helping. If not, let me know down below what you need to know a bit more about, and also just leave a comment and let me know if this was okay or not, or if you think that there's more you need to find out. And don't forget to subscribe, of course. So I will see you again another day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, guys.